Berta mesin lang bo.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Ayo di ma.
Aju itar lo. Okay, brother. Let's move to another place. Let's go. Come on. Pesan lo ni, hai poma. Kacetan dun, pilo cepat dun ka.
Dopik lo lah
Dopik
dari.
lagi. Doi, cedam lo ma. Ha?
Oh, are you serious or what? Yeah, yeah.
Now we are in Dongkamukam. Here the photo station. See guys, this is my buddy. After long days, we are meeting again here in Dongkamukam.
Oh, are you serious or what? Yeah, yeah. Are you
Extremist.
No, representing our side of the
Oh, it's a good. Nah? Come. Out. Today is the last day here. Yeah. So we have to enjoy. Hey brother, what are you doing here? You will fall after. From where are you? Narong kunat lo. Nangar me pikon na. Brother, what is this? What we call it?
Bamboo decoration. This is frog. How they make the frog? It's made
They are making with bamboo. Okay.
Yes. How it's looking nice.
It's look nice, bro. See guys, this is bow we KARBI call Betali. See? Napelo ni nang tumka?
Iya dak dongkap.
Dak dongkap kan. Koson lo program lang mesen.
Lang mesen.
Ni ngarong meme di. Now we are entering inside the playground. See guys, entering to the playground. Bang soto ke dam luma. Ha? Ke dam luma. So guys, we are enjoying here at Dongkamukam. Many people are enjoying on the first floor. Now we are trying to leave. This is the gate. Hello sir. Sir, where are you from? How do you enjoy? Oi, dampode itu mak. Dampode ni tu. Program ya, na itu na enjoy ma. Enjoy di. Soalnya pun program na lang dun ma. Kosono program ke? Enjoy ma. Program enjoy ma. Enjoy sendi. Kalau bangsa tu ikan lang ni deh ma. Ha? Kan ni deh ma tu ke? Hey bro, hey brother, nice gun brother. This is called AK-47. Well, brother, can you sing this song? Yeah. Okay.
Mir do hadak ta mama kay ni la tayo. I'm so tired.
Oh, you are so tired now. It's time to eat. What do you want to eat now? Do you want chow mein, chicken pakora, now momo? What do you want?
There is no chicken pakora.
I will give you.